Hey guys, this is Albert Pulu with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. I'm here today at my client's new beautiful home here in Ontario, California. Come check it out.
Good afternoon. My name is Sammy, and I recently purchased a home from Your Home Sold Guarantee company. My family lives in the Orange County area, and this is obviously the Inland Empire. And my daughters are out here, and my grandchildren are out here. And you know, I want them to be with me a lot more than they have been. So now I'm getting closer to them. So now there's no reason for them to not knock on my door, because I'll be looking for them, because I love them. My grandchildren are just vibrant and fun going, and they're just, but you know, as grandparents, you all know that sometimes grandchildren at the elementary level, they have better plans than seeing grandpa and grandma. And that's the truth, you know? So I'm gonna make it hard for them, because now they have to see me, because you know, that's what I want. They're beautiful grandchildren. I have 6 grandboys and 2 granddaughters, and 5 boys and 2 girls. And I love them very much, but they don't come and visit me that much. So now I'm closer. They have no excuse to come see grandpa now. The honest truth, I was looking for a home, getting to get closer here in the Inland Empire. And so the honest truth is, I had gone out in towards the Limonite area, and I was coming to go see my grandsons down this one street here by the home off of Fern. And this gentleman with the for sale signs on his side was running across the street, and I almost ran him over, and he ended up being my realtor, Albert. And that's how I got into it. I asked him, are you selling that home? And he goes, yes, sir, but that home has already been sold. He goes, but I have another home down the street. Would you like to look at it? And I said, yeah, let's go look at it. And I ended up here, and I liked it. I liked what I saw, and it was just, it's too kind of hard to believe, but that's how I ended up here. So it was interesting, you know. This purchase had some hurdles, and my agent Albert told me that from the start, and I scratched my head. I go, oh, do I want to get involved with this kind of home? And he assured me that even though there is hurdles, we will get and prevail through it. One of the hurdles was right off the bat, the offering price and the you know, bidding price that we had to go through. It took a while, but through his, you know, technique, whatever he used, negotiating factor, we prevailed, and we were able to get the home in our favor. It feels good. I'd be very wrong, or not even out, but it feels very good. I have a lot of work ahead of me. I still know. Albert got me into this home that has almost everything done already, other than some landscaping work. And you all know, you better have some hands, or if you're going to do landscape, because you know it all costs money. But other than that, I'm happy, man, and I wish that many other people get the experience that I got. It wasn't that hard. It did look at times that it was, but only because if you have a good communicator, and this gentleman Albert, yeah, man, he pulled it off. You know, he really did, and I'm very happy and grateful. My whole family is. Thank you very much. Many people have come to me and are hesitant or uncertain about purchasing and the roads to get to it. I highly recommend Mr. Albert Pujols. I mean, he is just the person that'll let you know what you have. You got to start off with what you are able to work with, and then he'll be able to fit you into the certain home, that pricing and availability and the necessity of finances that you're going to need. He works that whole thing, and it makes it pretty simple, and it'd be a very highly recommendation from me, Mr. Aguilar, to recommend anybody. Very good company. Thank you for everything you've done for me. Appreciate it.